day! This is the Science News Channel and I'm Jaden, reporting to you from the News Center. Today, several people have reported seeing matter and they are asking about it. So, to help them understand what they saw, this report will focus on matter. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. For example, some of the people said that they saw an ice cube, something like this. Upon close examination of the ice cube, it contains matter. So, we can say that the amount of matter that the ice cube contains comprises its mass, while the amount of space the ice cube occupies is its volume. Suddenly, someone saw that the ice cube began to melt and it turned into water, and that individual was concerned because the ice cube changed its shape. However, upon extensive examination, the water still has mass and volume. After some time, the water disappeared and people were surprised. They wondered where the water went. They called some experts, and when they analyzed the scene, they concluded that the water turned to gas or water vapor. The experts said that although the liquid turned into gas, it still has mass and volume, so nothing to worry about. We asked our in-house expert about matter. He said that matter, for instance, an egg, has physical properties which can be observed and measured. Furthermore, our expert said that examples of physical properties include texture, color, shape, mass, weight, and volume. All of these physical properties can be observed, but only mass, weight, and volume can be measured. Wait. Mass or weight? I'm confused. So I asked the expert again and he gave me a simple example. He said if we compare a baby to an adult in terms of mass, the baby's mass is small while the adult's mass is large. He pointed out that an object with a bigger mass has a bigger size. In terms of weight, he said that a baby is light while the adult is heavy. This means that the bigger the size, the greater the weight. Hence, it can be said that an object with a bigger mass has a greater weight. He showed me this illustration. There was an adult who lived on Earth, but he went to the moon. Is he the same adult when he traveled to the moon? Yes, he is still the same person with the same mass and volume. So mass is not affected by gravity. Using the same example, the adult weighs 50 kilograms on Earth, but when he went to the moon, he was lighter. We can infer that weight is affected by the pull of gravity on matter. Wait a sec! If mass is related to size, how do we know its weight? Easy! Using different weighing instruments. Here are some examples of these instruments which can help us measure the weight of an object in grams or kilograms. I had my final question to our expert. How do we measure the volume of an object, especially since objects can have a regular shape, irregular shape, or be liquids? I learned that for regular solid objects, you just need to get its length, width, and height and multiply them to get the volume of the regular solid. For liquids, you need to use a measuring instrument like a graduated cylinder. You simply pour the liquid into the cylinder to measure its volume. Finally, for an irregular solid object like a stone, you need to use a measuring instrument like a graduated cylinder and record the water level before and after the stone is dropped into the instrument. Using the water displacement method, you subtract the current water level with the stone in it and the previous water level without the stone, and you get the volume of the stone. 3 things happened earlier, and these events reflected the different states of matter. Nonetheless, matter in whatever state is made up of tiny particles called molecules. The different states of matter are solid, such as a rock, liquid, like water, gas, like a cloud, and plasma, like our sun. So, we have the following states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. To end our report, we will show the different processes that transform an object from one state to another. When a solid becomes a liquid, the process is called melting. On the other hand, when a liquid becomes a solid, the process is referred to as freezing. Similarly, evaporation is the process that transforms liquid to gas, while condensation converts gas to liquid. Ionization and deionization transforms gas to plasma and plasma to gas, respectively. Lastly, deposition converts gas to solid, while sublimation transforms solid to gas. And that, my friends, is the end of my Science News Report today. This is Jaden, signing off. Till the next edition, thank you.